Congressman Luis Gutierrez, along with immigrant serving organizations by the Illinois Coalition for Immigrant Refugee Rights, among clergy by Reverend Walter Coleman, and among youth and families being affected directly by Familias Unidas and Centro Sin Fronteras, all of whom are with us right here in front, celebrating something that we fought for together. But the leader of this work was Congressman Luis Gutierrez, who was willing to face down President Obama over something that was a policy that was just not working. It was destroying lots and lots of families. Congressman Gutierrez traveled the country, going to 26 different cities in the last 3 months, listening to the stories of families being destroyed. So we are thrilled that we finally have a response from the White House. It is a small but important step forward, and we are going to keep pushing on this door until we kick it open and get some real immigration reform for the millions of immigrants who just want to contribute to this country. I would like to introduce our hero, Congressman Luis